Hi everyone, I just filmed this makeup tutorial. It's a very fresh, lightweight, no foundation, summery makeup. If you want to know how I did this, please keep watching. Alright, hi guys! First, we're gonna put on some sunscreen. Welcome back to my channel. This is my first voiceover. Definitely don't forget your sunscreen, your SPF. It doesn't matter if it's sunny outside or if it's raining, you need SPF to protect your skin. I already did skincare before this, so that's also another step. Please don't forget about skincare. That's very important. I'm just putting some lipstick on before I start my makeup because I feel like I look different without any lip color. And then I'm going to put on some color correct. I've been really liking to use color correct before any coverage foundation or concealer. This makeup look, I'm not gonna use any foundation. So the green color is to help the red underneath the chin, and then I'm gonna put on some orange color correct under the eye. That helps with the dark circles. And then I'm putting on some Shape Tape. It's a concealer by Tarte. I love this concealer because it's very high coverage. You can definitely just use this without a foundation. That it works too. So I'm just gonna use a beauty blender to blend everything in. Blend your under eyes first, and then go into your T-zone, your forehead, and then your chin, and then the rest of the face area. Okay, now I'm just using the NARS concealer to spot cover some of the area that I think that needs a little bit high coverage. I'm using this makeup brush that's almost like a mini foundation brush. Next, I'm going to put on some translucent powder. The one that I used here is from Hourglass, but I also really like the ones from Laura Mercier. I think that one has a pretty good blur effect as well. Kind of use like a small brush to do your under eye, your T-zone, and then the rest of the face without tapping in the product again. Next, I'm just going to quickly fill in my eyebrow. First, brush your eyebrows up to see your shape, and then just fill it in with your brow product. You can use anything really, powder or like the pencil that I'm using right here. Okay, this is my favorite part because this is the Benefit Liquid blush. I love it. Look how I look. Oh my goodness, I love this blush color. It's so rosy. I'm just using the beauty blender from earlier, from the foundation concealer earlier. It makes you look really young and fresh and then summery, and give you like a very no makeup look. that make you look like you woke up like this. That's the vibe I'm going for. Then I'm going to do my eyeliner, inner eyeliner, using this NARS black eyeliner. If you're not familiar with how to do this, it might feel weird in the beginning. Then I'm gonna use this Natasha Denona palette. I'm gonna take the darkest brown to place it as my eyeliner. I'm using this very thin brush. Just go along the outer corner of the eye to elongate the eye. Almost like drawing an eyeliner, but it's a powder, so it wouldn't look as harsh. So I wanted something that's lightweight. It's kind of those like sneaky tricks that you do. And then I put on some of the lighter brown color, the lighter orange color underneath my eye to give you like a shadow in the outer corner. Make it look like you always look like this. And I really like to use this type of brush because it's very thin, it's very concrete. And then curl your eyelashes, of course. And then put on your favorite kind of mascara. The one that I'm using here is from Clinique, I believe. Look how the differences they make. Make your eye look so much bigger. I'm only using the mascara for my upper eyelashes because I want that no makeup look. Then this product, oh my god, guys, let me tell you, this is the pomegranate highlighter and balm duo. I'm only using the balm part, which it almost feels like a lip balm, but it's for your face. It makes your skin look very glossy. I think that's the main part about this makeup, which is glass skin. And then lastly, I'm putting on some setting spray. Just fan it out with my favorite fan. Alright, I think guys, that's my makeup look. I really hope you liked it. It's a very short, fast, fresh, no makeup look. I hope you really liked it. Do your skincare, SPF. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This is a voiceover. Okay. Alright, hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Come back to my channel or subscribe if you haven't already. Love you. Bye.